Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Come on in, hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And if you're an oldie, welcome back. Welcome back. Come on in. Y'all already know we family, cuz. So today in this video, you're going to be seeing me achieve this look. I wanted to do a cut crease using some of the glitters that I recently purchased. I actually mixed this glitter together to make this glitter. So I mixed it with some little powder, like I guess flakes I should say, that I purchased from the nail supply store. And then I had the glitter and like some other oranges just came together and we got this. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this look. I'm trying to push this stuff out, you know, as they come to mind. I really want to have like a Halloween look each week when we enter in October. So hopefully I can cross my fingers, give you guys that. I really enjoy doing those type of looks because it just gives me a challenge and I like to see the outcome. So let's go ahead and get into this look and I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved it. So the first shade we're going in for the transition is from the Morphe 3502 palette, and we're going in with the shade Ablaze using my Morphe M441 brush, and we're going to use that to transition out the first shade for the lid. All right, so to darken the crease area, I had to build that up. And so in order to build that up, I'm going to be going in the James Charles Morphe palette. And I'm going to be using 10% off along with Rusty. And I'm going to just use them, combine them together and just continue to compact that corner. And then once we achieve the darkened crease area that I'm looking for, then we'll go on with another shade. But I'll be back to explain those shades as well. Next, to darken the crease some more, I'm going in with No Beans now to darken it up some more before I apply a little bit of black in there too. But I just want to darken it out some more to the inner of the lid before we cut it. Okay, and so now we're going in with Spooky to darken out the crease a little bit more before we cut the crease. All right, guys, so to cut my crease, I'm not even going to clean it up. I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm using that to cut my crease. So that's what I'm going to do here in this next step. Next, I'm going in with my Real Technique concealer brush, and I'm just bending out the edges to make them as soft but not as harsh as possible. This will help when I'm blending in the two different shades so that it won't be like a block here, and then like it won't blend properly. So I'm using this to help transition and blend out those edges. That way it can be a soft transition between the two shades. Rusted, I'm sorry, and 518. We're going to use those three shades to apply on top of the inner lid. Then what I'm going to do after I apply that color, I'm going to go in with a little bit of No Beans and a little bit of black to darken the area, because it's going to be a darker crease because I'm doing the wing liner up there, and I'm not going to do a full wing. I'm going to do a partial wing, so that way it goes out into the outer of the lid to smoke it out. All right, so what I'm going to do here before I apply the glitter is I'm going to do my liner. And the reason why I'm doing that, because I feel like it applies better when I do it beforehand, because when I'm trying to do my liner on top of glitter, sometimes it messes up my lining, or it's just harder to do the application. So I like to do that beforehand, and that way I can control where I put my glitter, so that way I don't use too much of a product and it can be seen better. So that is why I'm doing my liner here first. So I know I'm not normally doing my liner on it, but I'm going to show you guys today. Hopefully I don't mess up, or I will have to go on camera to do it, but let's just go ahead and do it. All right, guys, so off camera I did my lashes, but you can see how the look turned out. What I'm going to do is do my face off camera. All right, guys, this is the final look. We had some difficulties. I feel like this is like my story all the time, but we did have some difficulties. But y'all, actually, just comment in the comment section below if y'all know some good cameras that y'all would refer me, because it's time to upgrade my recording devices, because at this point it's not working. It's not working, guys, and I'm trying to give y'all better quality, better videos, so I gotta start upping my equipment, I guess, to say the least. But for the most part, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video that I provided to you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and if you did, and if you made it this far, guys, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload, guys. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.